जय श्री नारायण आप सभी को. So today we will talk about HDFC Bank. It has fallen so much. So we will see what can be the levels for that and when can it return for the upside. Also what can be the possible targets. So if I take this as a low of the COVID fall as a low of HDFC Bank. So this is the first wave as per the Elliott wave I am saying. Second, this one, and this is the third. And this is the third wave is the diagonal of the first. So whenever it happens, so the fourth wave becomes 50%. The stock or the market falls more than 50% from the first wave, from where it generated. So if I'm saying 50%, what it means, let's suppose this is the whole momentum. Let's suppose this is the whole momentum and the midpoint of it is this point, which I have marked already, 704, 702 level, 700 level you can take. So market falls more than that, not till 50%, more than that. If it falls more than that, then index and the Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, other thing will also fall because it has larger stake in those as well. So what can be the plan here? I am seeing the chart in the 1 month time frame, and the possible buying scenario can be from 701, 750, and mark this level very precisely. If market goes any inch point below to that, any paisa, like this, the mark level is 637.00. If market goes even 636.90, the way will not consider to be legit. It will be it will fall more if it goes below even 1 paisa to that 637 level. If it returns from here, then this will be the fourth wave here, and then it will return for the upside. Now we got 701 level, 637 level. If market comes between these levels, you can deploy few quantities here. Like if you are supposing you are gonna get 1000 quantity in HDFC Bank, so buy 100 or 200 quantity here. That will be good area to buy. If market falls below to that, then wait for the target of 490. It will come there and you can buy there more quantities. Now these numbers or the levels are on the basis of WD Gann calculations. I am not using Astro in it. For Astro prospect, then there is a different thing for which we are not talking here. We are only here for technical aspects and the calculation and all, apart from Astro. So this we are seeing in a 1 month time frame, and if market returns from here and takes bounce from this level or this level, it can go up till you can target for 1200 level, 1225 precisely. Between 1210 to 1225 you should book your profit. If market bounces from here and you have bought this dip and you are thinking when should I book target, you should book target at 1200 level, and it will take time for sure because the fall is so much. It's around for 20 to 30%, more than 30% fall is there. So it will take time, but if you are thinking for long term scenarios, I am seeing chart in 1 month time frame. If you are thinking for long holding stock, then you only invest here and you can target for 1200 or 1225 level. Now also I am not checking fundamental. I don't check fundamental very much, but I check very few things in fundamental, like market cap, which is good here, dividend, that's also good, cash flow, that's also good, intrinsic value, that's the most important part, which is 702 right now. We can take plus minus 10, so 692 or 712. What happens, Warren Buffett also say that if the price or the stock is trading below the intrinsic value price, then you should must invest to that because it has higher potential of giving returns, more returns. So like that. Also, if I say about investors, promoters are totally gone from there. and whatever they sold bought by FIIs and DIIs. FII has larger stake and DII has less stake. But from the 2023 itself, FIIs are also selling continuously, and although their mark is big, their chunk is big, but they are on a continuous selling, and DIIs are continuous buying mode. So more than 80% of the HDFC Bank is with FII and DIIs, and then retailer and all that doesn't matter here. Now what we can do here for a short term plan, firstly, if I see this in weekly time frame, you can observe one pattern here from the last from the 2026 itself. Whenever the market is falling in weekly time frame in HDFC Bank, it is making big wicks, wick. And also if I see in 1 month time frame, there is a large big candle. So obviously the fair value gap is big now. And in the worst case scenarios, market never leaves a fair value gap untouched. At least it comes near to the 50% of its area, which is here 810 level approx. I am taking 810 level is the midpoint area. So it should come till here if it has to continue fall more. If it's not coming here in coming days, then it will go below 700, 637, these levels, and then it will fill this fair value gap at once when it will be recovering for the upside. Like that you can plan. Also the 810 level you got now, and this you also got, the target you have got. So that was for the HDFC Bank here. That can be the prospect. That's how you can plan your entries and exit. I'll show you one thing now more. If I show you Bitcoin, this I teach in the classes, but I'm telling you now. If you see Bitcoin here and just calculate things, the time cycle I'm trying to say here, this was the first high on 1st December 2017, and this is the second high, the candle high you can see 1st November 2021. Almost 47 bars are there in monthly candle and 1431 days. If I replicate this one, and from here, from this high, if I go to this high, this is exactly the same. Only 1 month, one candle difference is there only. If I not, no, exactly it is the same exactly. You can see by going to there, only 1 day difference is there. Exact 47 bars, exact 47 bars. Market is repeating itself. Patterns are getting repeated. If it's valid for the upside trade or the bull run, it should also be valid for the bear run also. Then if I go for the bear run here, this was the lowest point after making the high point. This was the low point, and here it made the low after 47 bars. So the probable low it should make on, you know the date now, in October month, around 1st October, 2nd October, it should make the new low. The new low will be, if I'm not wrong, and if it's going according to me as I am calculating it, it should come near to firstly 3700 level, 37,000 level, then next level is 32,500 level, then the last level will be 28,090 level. These all three are the Gann numbers, and if market goes below to that, then Bitcoin is finished, volume wise I'm saying. Then if it rises in future again, then you can invest, otherwise there will be no pattern if it goes below to that. So that's how you can plan things. And this is just the tip which I teach in the classes. So if you want to join, the registrations are open. You can register, you can DM on the number which is given in the description box, and do let me know which stocks should I cover next in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Bye.